So you see a triangle, you see sine 2x and cos 2x, you should be thinking, the addition formulae, which you're given at the front of your sheet. So let's look at A then. So sine 2x, or sine 2a, sine 2x, I can write that as 2 sine x cos x. So all I have to do is work out sine x and cos x for this triangle. And to do that, I'm going to have to find out this length, which then leads me to Pythagoras. So I'm saying that root 11 squared is going to be equal to my x squared plus 2 squared. So 11 is equal to x squared plus 4. So my x squared is going to be equal to 7. So x is root 7. Kind of did that a weird way, actually. I don't know why I did it that way. Usually I would do a Pythagoras takeaway when I decided to do it that way. No idea why I did that anyway. So that's your root 7. So now I can start to substitute in. So 2 times, now my sine of x is going to be so, opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse multiplied by cos, which is cat, the adjacent, over the hypotenuse. Fantastic. And we'll just start putting that together. So root 11 times root 11 will give me 11. And on the top, I'll have 4 root 7. Nothing I can do to simplify that. So yeah, that's it. 3 marks for that. Not bad, eh? Not bad. Your cos 2x. Now you've done Pythagoras, it's actually even easier, really, isn't it? So just pick an identity. I don't know, I'll just say, we go for 1 take away 2 sine squared x. Doesn't really matter. 1 take away 2. Now my sine squared, I found out sine x was 2 over root 11. So that's 2 times 2 over root 11 all squared. So that's 1 take away 2 times, and that'll come out as 4 over 11. So that's 1 take away 2 times 4 over 11 will be 8 over 11. And 1 is just 11 over 11. So 11 over 11 take away 8 11ths will give me 3 over 11. So, more working in that one, but, really just doing some fraction work. This was your, actual skills from higher. This is your new identity. So, yeah, doing Pythagoras and doing your identity. But yeah, and just 1 mark for that one. And your very final bit, question C. I'll try and do this up here. It's asking, by expressing 3x as this, find the exact value of sine 3x. What do I think we do there? Well, the clue is in this. It's telling us to use our addition formulae. So, I need some more space, actually. And over here. So, I've got sine of, I'll just write out the full thing, actually. Well, a plus b is equal to sine a cos b, and for these it's plus cos a sine b. Okay, so that's given at the front of your sheet. And this is saying, well, you've got sine of 2x plus x. Okay, so my a is 2, so 2x, and my b is x. So let's sub that in then. So I've got sine of 2x cos x plus cos of 2x sine x. So I know that sine 2x, we've just done that, haven't we? We said sine of 2x was 4 root 7 over 11. So I've got 4 root 7 over 11. I also know what cos 2x is as well, because we did that. We said that was 3 over 11. So I'm just going to go use space and do 3 over 11, okay? And then I just have to multiply by cos x and sine x. So cos x was just the adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's root 7 over root 11. And sine x is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's times 2 over root 11. And at this point, if you're getting the same denominator, you should be thinking, well, that's a good clue that I've done something right. So that's going to be 4 times 7 over 11 root 11 plus 6 over 11 root 11. So I've got 28 plus 6 very good. So add them together will give me 34 over 11 root 11s. Can I divide that by anything? Not really. 11's prime, so I can't break that out. And 11's primes, 11 and 34 at the same times table. So nope. That seems like the final answer for me. So let's have a little look at the marking scheme. See where we're getting our points. Yep, just having that expansion was worth 1 good point. Substituting in was worth a point, and then your final mark for your final answer. So if you're not too comfortable with some of the surd work here, you're getting a mark for just doing this, and a mark for doing this. Not too shabby, eh? So yeah, when you see sine 2x, cos 2x, especially with a triangle, you should be thinking addition formulae or your expansion terms here, okay? If you see this triangle, definitely you're thinking it's going to be something along these lines or these lines. Usually it's this, to be fair, but yeah, they've kind of built up to this. So yeah, I hope that is helpful. But sorry, and just finally, these are at the front of your sheet as well. So have them ready. When you see sine 2x, cos 2x, go to the front of your sheet, and that will get the juices flowing. You'll start thinking, oh yeah, okay, it will help. Hopefully help out. But they're all at the front, and take your time writing this. Don't write this wrong. Okay, there's lots of good marks here, and it's given to you. So actually, it's just a big substitution. So yeah, just take your time.